Edward Boyd is with me. Ed, the Bendigo shares especially, they were walloped, weren't they?
Ross, it was an absolute shocker for Bendigo today. The regional bank, I believe it had its worst day ever on the stock market. Westpac was crunched too, and that pulled some of the other large financial stocks down, like IAG, AMP and Bank of Queensland, but Bendigo down about 15 and a bit percent. Turning to some other profit results today, milk and infant formula maker A2 lifted its revenue during the half and said its Chinese label product now has record market share. And the dual-listed company started paying dividends for the first time, so the market loved that. It soared almost 20%. Freight rail company Horizon, which also owns and operates one of the world's largest coal rail networks, lifted its revenue 2% during the year. Horizon moved more coal during the half, but it was hit by higher operating costs. The interim dividend dropped, and the board is considering splitting the company in two to comprise the freight sector and the railway lines. Here's the market reaction. Property manager Lendlease posted an operating profit about $122 million during the half after posting a loss last year. Since announcing its simplification strategy in May, it's returned to profit and cut its corporate costs 61%. Its shares finished the day up about 0.5%. And property investor GPT lifted its funds from operations almost 3% during the calendar year, posted a statutory loss due to a devaluation in its property portfolio of almost $800 million. And here's the share price reaction. GPT was actually one of the top performers today, up about 4.5%. Local market was dragged down by the banking sector and energy stocks. The market was still only about 1% below the record high it set last week and finished recovery at the end of the day, finished down 0.2%. Other tops today included buy now, pay later company Zip, Fundy Platinum, gold miner St Barbara, bookie PointsBet, and the property developer Mirvac. Losing value included shipbuilder Austal, a few of the gold miners and Woodside, which was sold off on speculation that its dividend might be a little bit lower this year. And Ross, that's markets.